this course, the value that it's going to provide is astronomically more than what you're paying for it. And it's difficult, I imagine, to get people in on the ground level. When they see the price tag, you don't know the value of it until you've taken it. Like, the changes this is going to make in my practice, this is going to get me my life back. This is going to allow me to spend a couple weeks in Hawaii at my condo and not open my computer and not feel guilty about it and not worry about how much work I'm coming back to. I can't put a price on that. That's what I'm excited about. If you're on the fence about whether to invest the time, the money, and the energy in this course, you have to do it. You absolutely have to do it. If nothing else, I think it's impossible to go through this course and not learn something that is going to be a game changer for you. But if nothing else, you can chalk it up to professional development hours. It's not time wasted any way you cut it. The return on investment for this program is much like the MasterCard commercials. I really feel you get to the end and it's just priceless. The perspective, the tools that I've been provided with through this program are things that I wasn't going to find anyplace else. You've brought it all together into this one course. You know, a person could do so much reading and so much self-learning and catch a snippet of something here and a snippet there, but I really felt that this is comprehensive. It's hands down some of the best money I will ever spend, because I really feel like it's going to get me my life back. It's teaching me how to run my business smarter and just have better quality of life overall. I always felt with APA as I went through the course, it wasn't one of these things on my list of, oh, I got to do this and I got to get to that. I was excited to say, okay, what's in here and what am I going to learn about, my practice, my habits, and how to run a better practice this week. I never had a mentor, and I just really feel like I really could have gone places in life if somebody had been a mentor for me. And that's what this has given me. It's unbelievable. APA isn't like other courses that you take and you put the book on the shelf. The information is exciting because you're immediately relating it to your own practice. And as you're digging into your own practice, I found I wanted to dig deeper. And so it just gave me this drive to continue looking and seeing how I could use these skill sets within my own practice. I want to change my practice. I want to have a better work-life balance. And leaving the book on the shelf and never referring back to it isn't going to get me there. It just felt like every module that we looked at, as we dug into it, discussed it with our cohort, it was always wondering, what's coming next? What are we going to dig into next? Just opening up a whole bunch of new ideas. So it got me excited about my practice again. So I found APA very useful as a Canadian practitioner. There were American practitioners in the group as well, but our firm structures are the same. At the end of the day, we were all working with small business clients. We're all working with personal tax returns. So whether it's a 1040 you're looking at or a T1, the structure is very similar in terms of the project time that it takes, the amount that you can bill on those projects. So the fact that this is a program that's based out of the US makes it no less useful for Canadians. It was a fantastic program. I'm so grateful that you thought of me when you were developing it. I remember that hour we spent on the phone, and I remember some of the things I told you, and you nailed it. One of the things I had said to you was when we went paperless, the modules were nice and short. That each piece was, the 5 to not more than 10 minutes. And if I see a video that I've got to watch and it's 40 minutes, just kind of keep pushing it off, right? And so you nailed it. You made everything bite-sized. And if I can only watch half of the module kind of right now and I could come back to the rest later, you put it together so it was really easy for practitioners to use as well. My name's Debbie Engel. I am a CPA and I operate a public accounting firm in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada.